In this video, we'll demonstrate how to download individual songs from Spotify. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to download specific songs from Spotify, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's jump straight into this guide. Here we are on Spotify, and the first thing you need to do is find the individual song you want to download. Tap on the search icon, and once you've found the song, start playing it. Now, if you go to the right of the song and tap on the three dots, you won't find the option to download. No worries, I'll show you how. Expand the song by tapping on it to view it completely. A quick note, you'll need Spotify Premium to download music on Spotify. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider getting Spotify Premium for uninterrupted access to this feature. On the song page, you'll see a download button, which is an arrow going downwards. Tap on it, and the download will start. The arrow will turn green, indicating that the song has been successfully downloaded. If you go to your library at the bottom right of Spotify, you'll find the individual song you've downloaded. Tap on it, and you can play it even without Wi-Fi or cellular data. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.